Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of our video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. We would really appreciate your support. Today we'd like to give you a review of my new coat. It's made according to the pattern that we made several years ago. We use it again and again. The design is very popular. It fits any figure. It hides your figure flaws and emphasizes your virtues. It's not oversized, but it still has a very comfortable fit in ease. The coat is double-breasted. The shoulders are dropped. There are 3/4 sleeves in it. You can combine it with a long sleeve sweater, long gloves or mittens. There are a lot of different options. The coat is made of 2 different fabrics. We combined blue cashmere and blue wool. The fabric looks very unusual. The coat is decorated with zippers, large straps, and beige buttons. The coat looks very stylish. The design is suitable for contrasting colors. For example, you can make a pink bodice and a turquoise lower part and sleeves. You can also decorate the lower part or an upper part. The design is suitable for any color and texture combination. Let me show you the coat in detail. I'll start with the pattern. The chest darts were combined with the princess seams on the front. The lower part of the coat is straight and loose. There are 2 side seams. As I've said, the coat is double-breasted. There are 2 welt pockets here. They are bias. They look unusual, and they are also very comfortable. The waist seam is decorated with the zippers. They do not reach the center back by 5 or 7 millimeters. You can make a transformer coat if you make the zipper not decorative, but functional. There is 1 more decorative zipper instead of the slit. You can unfasten it in any direction. This is just a decorative detail. You can also unfasten the zippers on the front. Use your imagination. These are the 3/4 sleeves, decorated with the large straps made of cashmere and decorated with beige buttons. I think that these details are very beautiful. This is a turned-down collar. You can combine it with a knitted collar. You can combine the coat with a long-sleeve sweater, mittens, or long gloves. Having such coat, you can create a lot of different, stylish outfits. The lining is quilted and doubled with a woolen windsorizer. Both the face and the wrong side of the coat are beautiful. It's both stylish and very warm. Let's have a look at the back. There is no seam on the center back. There are also no shoulder darts here. This is how the windsorizer looks like. The design is suitable for different combination of colors, prints, and textures. You can combine fabrics of contrasting colors, or use fabric with print or ornament. Be creative. Use different decorative elements. I'm sure that this coat is a must-have. I absolutely love it. What do you think? If you'd like to make a transformer coat, drop the waist seam to the hip line. In this case, you can make 2 garments in one, a jacket and a coat. I think that this is a very useful technique. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Ola. Buy our courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.